So these are our StowAway retractable screens. All of them are custom made, and we ideally like to match them to the color of your door or your door's trim. On this door, we've matched it to the trim, which is a white trim, so the screen units are right here. And this is a double door, so the screens pull together and meet in the middle, just like this. The pull bars magnetize and keep them held shut. And then another really cool feature about a double door screen is that you can hold one side in place, so that way you don't have to use both arms and go in and out. So if you open both of your doors, you can pull them together. Pin one side in place and then just go in and out the one side. Just like that. And then if you ever want to open the whole direction, just slide them back and you have your whole doorway open. Another great feature about these screens, since we custom make them, you can match the screen to your door frame, and then you can also match the sill color to your threshold. So this threshold is bronze, so we color matched a bottom rail and a sill adapter to this threshold, so that way this rail does not create a bump up or a trip hazard for your homeowner. Another great feature of our retractable screens is you have the option of doing what's called a fast close or a hydraulic speed reducer. So with the fast close, the screen units just retract back rather quickly because it's just a spring pulling it back. But with a speed reducer, it offsets that spring and allows the screen to go back rather slowly rather than springing back. So it's completely up to the homeowner, your choice. We do whatever you prefer.